Test review. We're going to be graphing this system to find our solution. So our first step when we are graphing is to solve for y. So we're going to go ahead and take our first equation, 3x plus y is equal to 5. 0 pair out the 3x. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Our starting point is positive 5. We're going to go down 3 to the right 1, down 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the left 1, up 3 to the left 1. Go ahead and draw in our line. Now we're going to solve our other equation. So we're going to take negative x minus y is equal to 1. Keep, change, change. So we're going to 0 pair out the x. Negative 1y is equal to x plus 1. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Y is equal to negative 1 over 1x plus negative 1. So we're going to start with our negative 1. We're going to down 1 to the right 1, 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 down 1 to the right 1. Clean up this line a little bit here and continue my slope. This slope was down 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, and down 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. So we'll find our solution is 3, negative 4. And so now we need to do a quick check. So we're going to take 3x plus y is equal to 5. 3 times 3 plus negative 4 is equal to 5. 9 plus negative 4 is going to be 5. So the first equation works. Second equation is going to be negative 1 times x minus y is equal to 1. So negative 1 times 3 minus negative 4 is equal to 1. Negative 3, keep, change, change, plus 4 is equal to 1. So both of them work. All right, our next equation, we're going to solve for y. So we have negative 4x plus 2y is equal to 8. 0 pair the 4x. 2y is equal to 4x plus 8. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. We're going to start at 4, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. Our first line. Our second equation is the same as this one, so that means we would start on the same ordered pair or the same starting point, 0, 4, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. So we have a line that is laying on top of, another line. Make my arrows here. Okay, let's try that again. We have a second line laying on top of the first line. So we'll add our arrows to show that. So the solution set is infinitely many. Now remember that if we have parallel lines, our solution set would be no solution. All right? We are going to Let's see where my question, here we go. Question number 3. All right, question number 3, we are using substitution. So when we are using substitution, we are going to look for the positive y by itself, and we're going to use that to solve first. So we're going to use 7x plus y is equal to negative 8. 0 pair the 7x. Y is equal to negative 7x plus negative 8 and put that into parentheses. Now I'm going to go up and use my second equation. So 2x plus 5 times negative 7x plus negative 8 is equal to negative 7. I'm going to now rainbow. So 2x plus 35x plus negative 40 is equal to negative 47. I'm going to combine my x's. This should be a negative. So I'm going to have negative 33x plus negative 40 is equal to negative 7. 0 pair the 40. Negative 33x is equal to positive 33. Divide by negative 33, divide by negative 33. X is equal to negative 1. So I have x negative 1. I'm going to go ahead and put it into my second equation that I've not used. So I'm going to use 7x plus y is equal to negative 8. 7 times negative 1, substituting in my 1 for my x, plus y is equal to negative 8. Negative 7 plus y is equal to negative 8. 0 pair the 7, so y is also equal to negative 1. For the check, I'm going to do 2 times negative 1 plus 5 times negative 1 is equal to negative 7. Of course, I've written my original equation, so I get my full credit. This is going to be negative 2 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 7. Negative 7 is equal to negative 7. My second check will be 7x plus y is equal to negative 8. 7 times negative 1 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 8. Negative 7 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 is equal to negative 8. So I know that negative 1 is the correct answer. All right, so now let's go ahead and go to number 4. Number 4, we're doing substitution also. So we're looking for our positive x or our positive y. I have one positive x, so that's the one I'm going to start with. X minus 3y is equal to negative 24. I'm going to 0 pair out, keep change. 0 pair out the 3y. So I'm going to do x is equal to 3y plus negative 24 and put that inside of parentheses. Now I'm going to go to my next equation. So I'm going to do 5x plus 8y is equal to negative 5. I'm going to go ahead and substitute in for x. So 5 times 3y plus negative 24 plus 8y is equal to negative 5. I'm going to rainbow. 15y plus negative 120 plus 8y is equal to negative 5. I'm going to combine my y's to get 23y plus negative 120 is equal to negative 5. I'm going to 0 pair out the 120. So 23y is equal to 115. Divide by 23, divide by 23, and y is equal to 5. So I have my y. So now I need to find my x. So I'm going to go back to my first equation, and I'm going to use x minus 3y is equal to negative 24, x plus negative 3 times 5 is equal to negative 24. X plus negative 15 is equal to negative 24. 0 pair the 15, and x is going to equal negative 9. To check, I'm going to put them into the original equations. So I have x minus 3y is equal to negative 24. X is negative 9 plus negative 3 times 5 is equal to negative 24. Negative 9 plus negative 15, negative 24 on the left and negative 24 on the right. So I have the correct answer for that first equation. I'm going to go ahead and check the second equation. 5x plus 8y is equal to negative 5. 5 times negative 9 plus 8 times 5 is equal to negative 5. So we have negative 45 plus 40. That is negative 5. So we know that that is correct. All right, let's go ahead and get back over here to number 5. And we will start number 5 in part 2 of the video.